Okay, next one. In the pig, the allele for black hair is dominant to the allele of red hair. Okay. Two black hair pigs mated, producing 12 offsprings. Out of these 11, 8 had black hair and 3 have red hair. What is the probability of the 12th offspring? Let's say we have the black and red, and we have mated black and black. It means they are heterozygous. That's why their children would have the red color. Okay, 8 are black, 3 are red. What is the possibility of this one? Would it be red or like, yes, yes, it would be recessive. So what is the probability? It would be 3:1. Generally, when we cross the heterozygous one, the probability is usually 3:1. Okay, when we generally crossbreed any two heterozygous. Okay, now if it's 8, the value should be here. Homo. So it would be like 1 is missing over here. It should be 8:4. So the probability is 0.25. A woman with the blood, oh, okay, a woman has a blood group O. Her child also has blood group O. Which blood group can the husband not have? Cannot have that. Okay, it's confusing. Wait, AB, of course. Sex in the human is determined by X and Y chromosome inherited from parents, which shows the chromosome inherited from father and from the mother. Wait, let me just copy the table. Okay, which comes from father and which comes from mother. So we are not discussing female because female would be homo, right? XX. So C and D are not in question. So let's talk about A and B. What can be correct? So from father, which chromosome would be there? Y. From mother, it would be X. So answer is B. Which two characteristics show continuous variation? Eye color and height. Gender and eye color. Okay, gender is discontinuous one. We have discussed earlier as well. Height and weight. Weight and blood group. Again, blood group is the discontinuous. It's height and weight. Yes, because we have limited number of eye color. Not not so very like ranges nahi hai. Okay, then again we have a table in question number 42. Okay, the diagram shows the inheritance of sex in humans, X and Y. Okay, so we have XX and we have XY. What sex are the offspring in the box 1, 2, and 3, 4? Okay, 1 would have XX, 3 would have XY, 2 would have XX, and this 4 XY. So first one is girl, second one is girl, third one is boy, and fourth one is also boy. So answer is D. Okay. Chimpanzee has 48 chromosomes in each normal body cell. How many chromosomes are present in the gamete? 24. Okay, pure breeding of pea plant with green pods are crossed with the pure breeding pea plant with yellow pods. Pure breeding means homozygous, right? It's capital G and it's small g. Okay, all generation have green pod. Now it would be simple. They all would have this heterozygous when we cross them, right? When we cross these two, all would be heterozygous. The F1 generation would have heterozygous condition. Plants from F1 generation are allowed to interbreed. Now you have to cross these two. What would be your answer? It would be capital G, capital G, capital G, small g, capital G, small g. Yeah, 3 ratio 1. If you're talking about the phenotype, yes, it would be 3 green and 1 yellow. How many chromosomes are there in a zygote when developed into a Down syndrome? 47. Exactly. A study was made of 4 children whose mothers were blood group O and whose fathers were blood group AB. Okay? Which statement would be correct? You just have to cross this O and O, A and B. It would become AO and it would become BO. Yes. So what statement would be correct? All will have the same blood group? No. 50% have the same blood group as mother? No. 50% have the same group as father? No. None will have the same blood group as their parents. Yes. So answer is D. Okay, let's move to the last one. Okay, there is a table. Okay, two heterozygous plants are crossed. This is the case. Wait, this one. These are two heterozygous which are crossed, right? In question number 44, similar to question number 44. What is the ratio of homozygous genotype to heterozygous genotype amongst the offspring? Let me see. Let's do it. Sorry. It would be capital G, capital G, small g, capital G, small g, small g. Homozygous genotypes are 2. So answer is A. Okay. So this is all for today.